See how you can send a mini app or a WhatsApp native flow using the bot builder and collect and store responses in the CRM, as well as segregate the fields of the flow to CRM fields. You need to ensure that your flow is published or in draft stage. After this, in the bot builder, we have a block named as, let me connect this for you again. Click on ask a question block and WhatsApp mini apps option. Here enter a body text. Remember to enter the label. Select your flow, either published or draft. Select a welcome screen or the starter screen. Now you need to create a custom field in the CRM to store the flow response. Meta will send the response in a string. So all of the fields of the WhatsApp native flow will be combined and sent to first one custom field. Let me name it as flow test. And select the field type as string. Once you have created the field here, select the appropriate custom field and then click on save question and save workflow. Now from your phone, because flow is not supported in WhatsApp web yet, from your phone trigger the particular keyword or the particular bot and submit the flow so you can get the test data in your CRM in the particular custom field. So I'm submitting the flow from my phone right now. I have submitted the flow. Now let us go to the CRM and check whether the data is saved in the custom field or not. Click on this view icon, click on custom fields, and we'll see that the custom field we have received the data here. Now from the general details tab, copy the chat UID. This is required to create the bot or to segregate the fields further. We'll again go to the bot builder, and in the same bot we'll add an automation app. We'll search for JSON extractor. So the string that is received from Meta, it will get segregated to various fields, so we can use it to analyze the responses or export it in CSV. Now the UID, will paste the UID here which we have copied from CRM, and in the JSON string we'll select the custom field and we'll click on run and save. So we'll see that the input was the custom field, and in output we have received all fields segregated properly. Now in the next step we'll use the save variable value block, and we'll need to create separate custom fields for all the fields in our flow. So you can easily create it from here. For here I require 4 fields. So I'll quickly create. You can surely name the field as per your requirements. So I have created 2 fields for now. Let us select the first field and map it here. This is the text input, and the second field. and map it here. Similarly, I can create more fields, third and fourth. I did not save the field, so I'll simply save it now. Second field and third field. You can also do the same thing for fourth and then save action and save workflow. So now you can see the bot is getting triggered. The data, we are sending the flow, the data is getting saved in the custom field. Then we are extracting JSON from the string that we receive, and we are using UID to test and get sample values. And after this, we are saving it in various custom fields. Now we can easily export the data from CRM with the segregated custom fields. Thank you.